Hello everyone, today I am here with a question that has been asked in IIT 2001 as well as in IIT 2014 mains, and so I think this question may be a little bit interesting, so let's enjoy the solution. What the question is saying, limit x tends to 0 sine of pi cos square x upon x square. Okay, so we know this formula, limit theta tends to 0 sine theta upon theta. Okay, so here is something cos square x. So I am doing one thing here, limit x tends to 0 sine of pi into 1 minus sine square x. Can I write this? Certainly you know this. You know this, cos square x is equals to 1 minus sine square x. So this is okay. So from here you can write what? Limit x tends to 0 sine of pi minus pi sine square x. Alright, upon x square. And you know one more formula. What? Since sine of pi minus theta is sine theta. Certainly. Therefore, we can write it as how? Limit x tends to 0 sine pi sine square x upon x square. Is this all right? Now we are going to do this thing. Okay, now here is sine of this. So what will you do? You should do one thing here. You should divide with what? Pi sine square x. And as you have divided by this, therefore you have to multiply with pi sine square x. Alright. So we are here. So now from here what can you say? Limit x tends to 0 sine pi sine square x upon pi sine square x into pi into sine x upon x chi square. How can you say this? Sine square x upon this x square comes here. So sine x upon sine x complete square, because this is sine square x upon x square. Is this all right? Now you can put this limit here and you can put this limit inside, because in limit it is possible. You can take this limit here. So limit x tends to 0 sine x by x ka whole square. So 1 ka whole square is 1, and limit x tends to 0 sine of this upon this. This is going to be 1. So this is 1 and this is 1 after taking limit. After taking this, limit x tends to 0. So you can say, sir, limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta is equals to 1, and here is no problem. Limit x tends to 0 sine x by x, yes, this is going to 1 and square is equals to 1. I don't have any problem. But how can you say this? Because here is this, and here is x only. Then I will say, as x tends to 0, then pi of sine square x also tends to 0. So you can write for this x as this. So we don't have any problem. So this is 1, this is 1. So only what remains? Pi. Therefore, this pi is your answer. Certainly B is your answer. So I hope you enjoyed. You may also try this question by L'Hopital's rule, because you can see this question is of in 0 by 0 form, but you may stuck of some differentiations, or you may do it also. So please do it and comment. Okay, we will meet with some more interesting question in the next video, so you can subscribe my channel, and you may also send your problems. Certainly you will get the solution. So all the best for IIT 2019. Stay blessed.